What's going on, guys? Jeff Morgan here, Alpha Wolf Management, and this is going to be a quick strategy session video on TRONCHAIN. First of all, we'll touch on the importance of TRON and its coin TRX. Alright, starting real quick, the TRON protocol, one of the largest blockchain-based operation systems in the world. Alright, TRX consistently handles 2,000 transactions per second, 24/7. This coin is amazingly fast, guys. Transactions take no time at all. TRON is a decentralized entertainment and content sharing platform that uses blockchain and peer-to-peer technology. You can think of it as the next generation social media outlet on which you can create and share with anyone, anywhere in the world. TRONIX is the basic unit of accounts in TRON's blockchain. So yeah, guys, TRON coin has a very large potential for growth. Its blockchain is amazing. It's got if you're familiar with Ethereum and the ERC20 tokens, TRON has its own TRC20 tokens as well. All right, but moving on about TRONCHAIN. So the TRONCHAIN Smart Contract is designed to provide everyone with an independent and financial support fund based on blockchain and smart contract technology. All right. Any participant can contribute TRX towards the community fund and supporting TRONCHAIN community members. And by doing so, the participant activates the contract code and will receive support back from the community members. It's people helping people, guys. All right. So TRONCHAIN is 100% decentralized. And it's a community-based project and a very large community at that. We are currently at over 60,000 members in just the TRONCHAIN community. TRONCHAIN is part of the Eclipcity platform. Eclipcity is EtherChain, TRONCHAIN, and CyberChain currently, with a lot more to come. Lots more to come. Be tuned in, that way you can see all the new developments. But the meaning of the community-based project is that there's no guarantee nor additional profits made in the system. All that you receive from TRONCHAIN is based upon your own and the community's efforts, as this is a P2P support model where you support others and others support you. People helping people. All right. TRONCHAIN can be viewed as a decentralized third party, which ensures fairness, transparency, and justice for all according to the algorithm code. There are no mediators, no intermediaries, no owners, no company or human interaction, effectively guaranteeing the fairness of all participating partners and partners' funds according to the rules of the smart contract. There is no owner to this thing, guys. Nobody owns this. There's no company, no business. This is a community of like-minded individuals, and it is growing amazingly quick. This thing is only slightly over 1 month old. Contract has been fully audited and verified with proof, unlike most other smart contracts out there. So this thing is here to stay and here for a long time, guys. It is the most reasonable, safest, and best cutting-edge financial support model available at this time. All right. You can participate in TRONCHAIN by depositing a minimum of 100 TRX to the fund. You will receive a 310% return. All right, this 310% is returned in 4 ways. 1 is passive, and there are 3 via marketing. All right, once you reach this 310% accumulated through any of the 4 ways, a new deposit must be made of equal or greater value to continue receiving from the fund. All right, so you have the investor. 1% daily return on your deposit for a maximum of 310 days, and this is 100% passive. All right. As a networker, you too get the 1% daily return on your deposit with the maximum 310 days, 100% passive. Everybody in the platform gets this 1% per day. Doesn't matter if you're referring people or not. That being said, for the networker, you also have 10% direct referral commissions for sharing and growing the community fund. And there are also matching bonuses on partners' daily income every time they make a withdrawal. All right. So the matching bonuses are as follows. Your first generation, you will receive 30% matching bonuses. On your second through fifth generation, you will receive 10% matching bonuses. 6 through 10, you receive 8%. And 11 through 15, you are getting 5% for a total of 15 levels deep. One new level is activated for each direct partner that you have for a maximum of 15 levels. So that is the goal, guys. If you are a networker, you would want to build up to at least 15 direct partners. That way you can maximize the power of this platform. All right, there's also a daily top referral pool. 5% of all deposits are set aside in a pool, and every 24 hours, 10% of that pool is shared among the top 4 sponsors in volume. And this pool has been over 2 million TRX for as far back as I can remember, at least a couple of weeks now. And it's constantly growing, guys. So imagine being able to receive 10% of that pool as a network marketer. All right, so there are minimum and maximum cycles. On your first cycle, this is your first contract, you are able to deposit a minimum of 100 TRX and a maximum of 100,000 TRX. You cannot go beyond that on your first contract. All right, after you have received your 310%, on your second cycle, if you started with 1,000 TRX, then you must go back in with at least 1,000 or greater in order to continue. And then you can deposit up to a 300,000 TRX maximum. All right, third cycle, equal or greater than the previous deposit, and you can go now up to 900,000 TRX. And on your fourth cycle and any cycles beyond that, it'll be equal or greater than the previous deposit, up to 2 million TRX. So imagine 2 million TRON earning a 310% ROI on that 2 million. Amazing, amazing potential, guys. So some important notes. TRONCHAIN is a community-based project. It is 100% decentralized. All right. It is P2P transactions through smart contract technology. Each deposit cycle is 310%. And once that 310% is received, a new deposit must be made to continue earning or receiving from any of the 4 ways. Minimum entry is 100 TRX. It is open to all participants with no restrictions. No referrals are required in order to receive this 1% daily payout. It goes to all members and it is 100% passive. But of course, you can increase the speed of your returns by growing the community fund through marketing and sharing of TRON. As you can see, the TRONCHAIN official chat from Telegram going across the top of my screen. I am a moderator in that chat. I am very active in there, so be sure to join the Telegram chat if you are to join this community. All right, so your returns on staking, or basically your returns on your contract, are as follows. If you go in with the minimum deposit of 100 TRON, you are going to receive 1 TRON daily, 1% of 100 every day for 310 days, or a maximum of 310 TRON, by either of the 4 methods for as far as the total accumulation. But we're talking passive here right now. So 1,000 TRON will get you 10 TRON per day for a maximum of 3,100 TRX. All right, 5,000 gets you 50 TRX daily for a maximum of 15,500 TRX. All right, 10,000 gets you 100 daily for a maximum of 3,100. And you can see the table, guys. Pause the video if you need to take a look at that. But let's just skip down to this. Let's say you went in all in on the very first contract. As you saw, the maximum for that was 100,000. You would be receiving 1,000 TRON per day for a maximum of 310,000 on 1 cycle of the contract. All right, so keep in mind, guys, this PDF I'm sharing from a community member. I did not make this PDF, but the strategy is very solid and it is very strong, and my own strategy is quite similar to it. All right, so the following is just their own strategy on maximizing earnings in a short period of time. Keep in mind that each cycle is 310%. and you need to redeposit an equal or higher amount of the first deposit if you wish to continue earning. Strategy, guys. Strategy, strategy, strategy. And this method is being your own team. And this can turn your passive income person into a networker, so to speak. So you get 10% direct referral commissions for sharing and growing the community fund, right? Now, in most wallets that support Tron, you are able to open up multiple wallets within that wallet. I personally use the Clever wallet. It is the upgraded version of Tron wallet, and you can create multiple wallets within that account. The smart contracts are linked to the wallet address. So once you create your second account or third account, or, well, you'll get the point. Create yourself a second account, and then you sign yourself up using your referral link from your first account. All right, this is going to get you a 10% direct matching commission, 10% commission, excuse me, that goes straight to you because you are the owner of the main account. And you're also opening up matching bonuses. So every time you withdraw from your second account, your first account will get 30% of that. All right. Now, once you get to rolling, then you start getting matching bonuses on deeper levels, on deeper generations, as we spoke about earlier. All right. And this is a typo within the PDF that I found saying this demonstration will be using 50,000 TRX. It is actually 40,000 in the example, but keep in mind each new account needs its own wallet address, easy to create inside of your wallet. All right, so this is a pretty good idea, guys. My variation of it is slightly different, but let me go over this first, and I could tell you what my differences are for my personal strategy. All right, so this guy is saying step 1 to open up your first account. All right, links are in the description below if you'd like to get started working on these strategies. Be sure to click the link in the description below, paste it inside the DApp browser of your Tron wallet or your Clever wallet or your token link, whatever DApp browser that you're using, paste that link in there and it will link directly to the smart contract. So with this 40,000 TRX example, they're saying to deposit 20,000 into your first account. All right. Then you open up account 2 with your account 1's link and you deposit an additional 10,000. So this is your first direct referral. Out of that 10,000, you're getting 10% of that back immediately into your first account withdrawable of 1,000 TRX. All right. Now this is where my strategy and their strategy differ. They are saying to open up your third account with your second account's link. And that's all good because the object of the game is to get your 310% quicker and faster. That being said, my strategy is slightly different. I would link the third account, and I have linked my third account to the original first account. And reason being is if you're opening up an account and it's just one referral, and granted, this is for people that's networking, it's not that big of a deal because you eventually will bring in some people to your team. But for those people who are just passive earners and are trying to leverage the power of this platform and maximize so they can earn on all 4 levels or all 4 methods of earning on this platform, then this really doesn't work because you want to be able to open up down to the 15th generation so you can receive all 15 levels of matching bonuses. That being said, this right here is a very accurate strategy. I would just work one account at a time. Get your main account up to 15 directs, whether all those directs are yours or a mix of you and you inviting people in the community. Get your first account, your first contract up to 15 directs. Once you get up to 15 directs, you have opened up the maximum possibility of earnings for your direct matching bonuses. All right. So now you will continue on as this is saying, and you will start working on your second account, getting your second account up to the 15 directs, and then your third and your fourth, and so on and so forth. And all these things will be linked back to your main account, which will grow extraordinarily fast. And I'm pausing on this just so you could read through. Like I said, this strategy is slightly different than mine, but it is a very solid strategy. So as you withdraw the funds, you can open more accounts. All right. And this is a good point. Always remember to leave a little bit of TRX in your wallet for transaction uses and gas fees to deposit and withdraw. So then they just go on to say about if you have 60,000, you could do basically the same exact strategy and open up 5 accounts. And these are all examples, guys, just examples for you to come up with your own strategy like I have. Like, our strategies are very similar, but I have a slightly different variation of the strategy. All right. So yeah, we're just going to scroll on through this right here. It's basically the same setup. They're just adding on a couple more accounts. Excuse me. So yes, it is important to note that each person should follow their own strategy, and this is purely an example of how we are growing our own portfolios and reaching our 310% faster. You can only move into the next cycle once you have reached this maximum of 310%. TRX prices can be viewed on Google by searching TRX USD. It is also normally shown inside of your wallets. All right, Tron is currently over 3 cents per coin. Always keep enough TRX in your wallet for the transaction fees. All right, so once you have access to your TRONCHAIN back office, you can just join the official Telegram group that keeps flashing across the top of the screen. Never give out your 12-word passphrase for your wallets. All right, and if somebody is sending you to this video, be sure to contact that person, and they will get you started. They'll shoot you a link and get you set up into this community. If you are finding this video of your own free will and power, just searching out here on YouTube, be sure to click the link in the description. Everybody click the like and subscribe buttons and hit the little bell notification down there. That way you're informed of all new uploads. And congratulations and welcome to the TRONCHAIN community. This is Jeff Morgan, Alpha Wolf Management, Eclipcity, guys, TRONCHAIN. I'll see you guys on the next video.